Nicholson and Rick Saber will get the one to go. Jessica Wilkinson and Cecil Howard as the 19 truck has pulled its way out. I'll get it dealt with here in a minute. So let's turn this out. By Rick Saber as he takes it down into turn number 1 with Nick Nicholson, Cecil Howard, and Jessica Wilkinson right behind him. 8 laps is scheduled distance for our first Northwest Pro Ford Truck Heat race. Rick Saber, president of the Northwest Pro Ford Truck. Boy, has he found a comfort zone in that 43 truck this season. Cecil Howard now taking a look down on the inside of Nicholson. We say he headed down into turn number 3. Nick had to back out of it. Nicholson head across the start finish line. We've got 6 laps to go. We have another rack of those trucks lined up. We do now. Several of these trucks are also going to be competing in the Mini Mania main event coming up later on tonight. It's got to be a little bit more than that over Cecil Howard. It's got to be a good 2.5 seconds. Try it this way. There we go. We are halfway through. So Howard coming across. Nick Nicholson. Quite a bit of back. Boy, Kelly Saber is just flipping them off. 19.550, that was his fastest lap. Slows it down a little bit on that lap. But the 3-second advantage Saber over Howard. The 11-second lead Rick Saber over Nick Nicholson. So Rick will just phone this one in from here on out. You'll see the white flag in the hands of our starter, Troy Draper. As always, incredibly assisted by Junior Brookover. White flag out for Rick Saber in that number 43 Rockford Northwest Pro Ford truck. Cecil Howard comes across in his truck. Jessica Wilkinson pretty much shut down on the backstretch. We'll take it high up. And then goes to the 43 of Rick Saber. Cecil Howard pulls his Chevrolet across the line. It's Chevrolet. And Nick Nicholson will finally make his way across as Jessica Wilkinson starts definitely dead down in turn number 4.